Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diana, and if you want to see how I went from this to this, which is a 7-in-1 versatile hairstyle, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another short hair shave size. We're going to jump right in. So I have my bundles. I don't even know what color that I rinsed these with, but I know I use the L'Oreal. I think it's the L'Oreal High Color. So this is the hair we're using today. I have 2 bundles. So let's see what we come up with. But I'm sure you see from the thumbnail what style I came up with. So let's just get it done. But as of right now, we're winging it. First, I use the diamond bonds, and then I put some wrap strips on top, some mousse to keep the wrap strips in place. Then I proceeded to put on my stocking cap. Didn't show you exactly how to do this, so maybe in one of my next tutorials, because I went back and looked at my other tutorials, and I haven't showed you how to do it. I've told you what I did, but I haven't showed you. So maybe my next one, we'll just do it together so we have a reference video. But this is the hair. This is my leave out, relaxed, deep conditioned, rinsed, and all that good stuff. So we're going to jump right in. So now that all my tracks are laid, I'm going to focus on the sides. If you know me, if you know any of my short hair shave side tutorials, I am notorious for wanting my sides sleek, and that part has to be straight. So I'm just going to be applying some Nairobi after I section off my leave out and what is going to be literally laying down. I'm going to be taking this anti-humidity shine coat. It's literally a heat protectant and it doesn't allow your hair to frizz up in the heat. And since it's still warm out, I'm going to spray it all over my leave out. And I did spray it on the hair as well because I'm going to be flat ironing my leave out. And also I'm going to be curling my hair first while my leave out dries since I just sprayed it. I'm not sure the size of my wand curl. I think it's 1/4 and it's from Bedhead. I just got it from Amazon. So it's really tiny. So I wanted to speed up this portion of the video because I'm just going to be wand curling and it actually took me a while since I was using smaller sections. Now that everything is nice and wand curled, this is style 1. You can leave your hair just like this, wear to the right, wear to the left, or just pin up both sides and keep it cute. That's why I'm calling this style 4 in 1, because I literally transformed the hair every time I touched it and cut it. So this is style 2, where I'm just fluffing out the hair and just making it more big. I can also pin it to the right, pin it to the left, or pin it on both sides and just have the hair going back. And as you can see, that was super cute. I'm just taking some black spray and I'm just, you know, adding a little 1 2 1 2 in the front, because yeah. But basically this is style 2. Now I'm gonna cut it into style 3. The hair is nice and fluffy. I'm gonna keep the back long and the front is going to be a little choppier. So like I said, you can pin it to the right, you can pin it to the left, you could pin it on both sides, let it fold to the front, or if you want, let it fall to the back. So now I'm just gonna flat iron my leave out. I'm gonna take my Babyliss mini flat iron and just make sure everything looks good, because at this point I still didn't know what I wanted to do, and I know I wanted it to be more choppier, more edgy, and I definitely did want you to see that both sides were shaved. So I'm just flat ironing my leave out. Now we're on to style 4, where the back is going to be choppy as well, and the hair is fluffy and choppy in the front like I said. So I'm gonna cut the back down, and if you want, same thing applies. Wear it to the right, wear it to the left, let it go to the front, let it fall to the back, and as you can see, like, it's still cute had I pinned up the sides, but I knew I didn't want this hair to be super long, so we're gonna move on to the next style. And now we're on to style 5. So now we're at style 5. I'm just going to take some holding spray and spray my leave out, and I'm just spray in between at the roots just to give it some structure. And once again, you can pin it to the right, pin it to the left, or yeah, however you want to wear it. But this is style 5. So cute. Now we're moving on to style 6, where we're just going to put some curls in the hair. The curls are going to be going back. Remember, we laid the tracks going forward, so going back with the curls will just create more volume. And remember, the back still has the wand curls. When it comes to the curls on the side, I curl right to left and left to right just to make sure that we are keeping the short hair shaved sides visible. Now we're moving on to style 7. Remember, we curled the front going back. We kept the long curls in the back, but style 7 is the style that I chose, and it is the one I'm obsessed with. Yeah, I didn't want all that length in the back, so we're gonna literally just chop her literally right off. I just wanted a low taper vibe in the back, so I'm just going to take my shears and my eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to shave it down until I feel like that's what I want. And once I got to this point, I said, yes, this is her. Look how cute she is. Everyone else was cute too. It's just not, ooh, I burnt myself. It was just not what I wanted. And when I got to this part, look at that. Look at the profile. I just fell in love. You could still see everything. Yeah, so this is what I opted for. But styles 1 to 6, definitely a must. But I'm just going to pop some curls in the back and just make sure everything looks good. I didn't like the one curl in the back. I just wanted it to be super tight and right. But I'm going to let you finish the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials because they're coming. I literally just filmed one today and I can't wait for you guys to see this one either. So until my next tutorial, I'll see you guys later. Yes, look at her hair. Look at her hair. So cute.
You should just know, babe. You should just know. I've been thinking about it, praying for the week and making run away. Looking for reasons for me to skip a plea. Sorry if the words I say they cut you deep. I ain't trying to do something that I don't mean. I say I'm done, I'm leaving, and you say don't run, I'm leaving.